Double-digit growth. That's the news
Finance
which is
Minister
becoming
Pranab
a
Mukherjee has
reality.
said that India can hope for a double-digit growth in the next 5 years. Speaking at the Indo-US Forum in Washington on Tuesday, he said that 26% foreign direct investment.
The signs are clear. The developments definitely happening.
Over 8,500 MOUs. Employment generation potential of over 25 lakhs. And an investment inflow of over 12 lakh crores. 242 billion US dollars.
Today, we manufacture the best of cars, a range of consumer electronics, provide software services, or win the world with our designs. India is truly shining. A core need to implement, maintain and sustain this vision is qualified and technical manpower at various stages in the business cycle. The industry needs AC mechanics, electronic technicians, automobile and scooter mechanics, electricians, mobile service engineers, turners. But the fact is that in most sectors there is a demand-supply gap for competent technical personnel. Unemployment is not the problem, but unemployability is. Manpower with no or very low skill sets and no technical training is the issue. Skilled technicians are needed. Welcome to the opportunity to impart vocational and technical training to the youth of the country, to a business that has tremendous growth potential, to partnering with an organization that has pioneered technical and vocational education in India. Welcome to Joshi's Kohinoor Technical Institute. Established in 1961 by former Lok Sabha Speaker and former Chief Minister of Maharashtra State, Dr. Manohar Joshi. Kohinoor Technical Institute is a key member of the Kohinoor Group.
जोशीज कोहिनूर टेक्निकल इन्स्टिट्यूट विश्व यशाच्या संधीचे. गाड्यांच्या प्रचंड प्रमाणात वाढत जाणाऱ्या या मागणीला पूरक पुरवठा करण्यासाठी अनेक कंपन्यांनी या क्षेत्रात आपले पाय रोवले आहेत. ग्राहकांना आकर्षित करण्याची स्पर्धा सुरू आहे. परिणामी दरवर्षी साधारणपणे 20 लाख कार आणि 70 लाख मोटारसायकलांची बाजारपेठेत विक्री होते. दरवर्षी नवनवीन ब्रँड्स लॉन्च होत आहेत.
डिप्लोमा इन ऑटोमोबाईल इंजिनिअरिंग. कालावधी 11 महिने. दररोज 2 ते 3 तास. काय शिकाल? डिप्लोमा इन ऑटोमोबाईल इंजिनिअरिंग या कोर्समध्ये दुचाकी आणि 4 चाकी वाहनांविषयी संपूर्ण आणि सविस्तर माहिती दिली जाते. थिअरीच्या वर्गात डिझेल इंजिन आणि पेट्रोल इंजिनच्या कार्यप्रणालीविषयी सविस्तर माहिती दिली जाते. अभ्यासक्रम पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर तुम्हाला जोशीज कोहिनूर टेक्निकल इन्स्टिट्यूट तर्फे शासन मान्य प्रमाणपत्र मिळेल.
The year 1972. Two young gentlemen, Vasantrao Patwardhan and Madhavrao Kane, who had a passion for social work, happened to visit Jawahar and Mokhada, located just 145 kilometers from Mumbai in the state of Maharashtra. They landed in Jawahar, one of the most backward tehsils of Thane district. Here, for the first time, they came face to face with the Adivasi tribals of the area, who were living a dismal life of poverty in unhygienic and unhealthy conditions. Moved by what they saw, and with a resolute will to change the lives and bring progress and prosperity to these people, they formed the Pragati Pratishthan.
कचरा 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 आणि कचरा. सध्या तर परिस्थिती एवढी भीषण आहे की आपल्या शहरात दररोज तयार होणारा हा हजारो टन कचरा टाकायला जागाच उरलेली नाही. सगळी डम्पिंग ग्राउंड्स तुडुंब भरून गेली आहेत. सगळीकडे अस्वच्छता, प्रदूषण, रोगराई. ही परिस्थिती बदलायला हवी. पण हे शक्य आहे का? हे शक्य आहे का? हे शक्य आहे का? हे शक्य आहे का?